Okay, folks, this is a big survival myth blog. Okay, now I see comments like, my grow room or indoor garden produces enough oxygen 24 to 19 hours a day. They're smoking crack or they've been breathing too much wood smoke or carbon monoxide. This is bullpoop, folks. This is a short blog. Unless you have an acre-sized room, that's 1 acre. I'm using NASA figures to generate oxygen. Okay, this was why on the space station we don't have an excess acre-sized room on the International Space Station with little tiny plants growing oxygen. Get that through your heads. Now stop making those comments. You're a grown-up. Okay, that's a kid's answer, not an adult. 2, always have a carbon monoxide detector. If you run propane, if you run kerosene, if you run coal, wood, any source of heat that uses fire, you got to have a carbon monoxide detector. Big no-no on that uh, survival myth is that charcoal is a no-no for home heating. The other ones I told is okay, but charcoal a no-no. Get that through your head. I find more dead people in this area like, oh, it's cold, we'll burn some charcoal in the house. 4 dead this year. Mom, dad, and a little kid, and the dog. Thought it was okay, bring in the charcoal grill, light it up, heat the room. Everybody was nice, cherry pink, and happy, and dead. Okay? Don't use a charcoal grill to heat your house. So I'm keeping this short. Hi to my favorite gamer, Bethany. You learned something on Uncle Alan's channel. There's a new person. I can't remember the name right now, but I'll remember one of these days. It's Wolfie, but it's an illustrator, not a regular Wolfie, on Wednesdays and Saturdays on the live stream. Anyway, hi on those guys. Let me get my paperwork out. West Wind Survival, Hiking Deep, High Desert Pioneer, Random Lady. Yeah, let's see. This is what happens when you have only one eye and got cataracts and can't barely see. Wes S. Good, funny one. Inspired John Jordan Jakenberg. Remember, for a price of a drink, soft drink, you could send them over some cash to pay me. Revolting Man, Native Tears, Savage Survival. Yes, Uncle Alan knows a lot of tricks, and yes, Uncle Alan's old. Now, big thing a lot of people say, you see that? That's from my garden. I do grow greens. This is all winter greens. I have a few cucumbers because Uncle Alan knows what he's doing. And I got radishes. The cucumbers I have in a little hothouse. Avocados, we have a few friends down south that sends me a box or two. And everything else here, right here, folks, all grown in my backyard in my boxes. Remember those garden boxes I showed you in earlier videos? I have radishes, I have winter greens, I have microgreens. Uncle Alan isn't kidding. I know how to grow food. This is your level. This is Uncle Alan's level. Now later on today, I got to spray my fruit trees and my roses. I got 20 plants to do. And this is my face, not very happy. Okay? This is a short video. I'll catch you later, boys and girls. Like and subscribe to Old Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79. And try to get and spread the word around. More people you connect, sign up, leave a little comment below. I always tell people when you watch a channel or video, leave a like, leave a comment, share with friends because YouTube's acting up again. Yellow! And that means it's true. Catch you later, kids. Yeah, you don't trust those idiots. Bye.